Hello guys, today this will be a really tempting video. First vid on fidget spinner versus something, and today we're doing fidget spinner versus face. Well, mouth. Let's go. We're going to get it really fast. Faster than that. Faster than that. Faster than that. That fast on my mouth, but on my tongue. So let's go. We need to get it fast. This is how fast. 3, 2, 1. Oh! 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 Oh, that really hurt. Ow. There's going to be a bruise on my tongue. Oh. We're going to have to do it with the other one now. Faster than that. Faster than that. Oh. Ow. Oh. Guys, I wish you had a really good time watching this. If you did, smash that like button and click that red sub button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.